morning. Good morning, guys. Okay. Nice. Good morning, Treasure Trove. Space, Smiley, Rasim, Undivine. Mike has a lot of static. Yeah, I think I just lowered the volume, so that should have What's up, bro? Juan, good morning, man. Kim, Audrey, William, Elizabeth, Buenos dias. Good morning, everyone. Alright. So I entered short. I don't think, I'm basically short alongside 450, essentially. 450.10 ish area should remain as resistance. That's basically what I was taking a trade based on. So I'm currently short, but it looks like that trade is going to get stopped out. NASDAQ showing a lot of weakness. The IWM is showing strength. I averaged in a bit. Basically now I'll just have a high of days to stop, to be honest, on these puts. We could easily rip to the upside, but I really like shorting here. It just feels like there could be a big move below 449.70. So don't want to be going long up here. Good morning, Chan, Xcal, X, Choppers, Munir, Amin, Freaky. Good morning, guys. Nvidia, the NASDAQ just got bought up. Hmm, 450.54 is major resistance right now. We just broke above high of day, obviously on the SPY. Damn, they're just gonna rip it. The NASDAQ just closed above VWAP and the 10 SMA. The IWM has resistance at 188.45. SPY has resistance at 450.54. Yeah, I'm still holding, to be honest. I don't think this should continue up, but if it does, then it is what it is. Basically, the move to the upside isn't really going to it shouldn't really continue to sustain itself. So today, maybe tomorrow, are going to be like the last days where we have like a huge move to the upside. So in my opinion, today should be a day where we consolidate and fall back down to levels of support and a bit of profit taking. But it doesn't look like that's what's going on right now. But usually what ends up happening is they spend the morning ripping it up to get people to be bullish above, and then they rip it down lower. IWM is trading above 188.45. SPY is above 450.54. So above 450.54, 451.10 is the next major level of resistance. This whole setup, regardless, is setting up for a huge like red candle. And that's basically my thought process still. You can't really go long up here. Just bought into some more puts here at 451.10. So the market's being held up because obviously on the daily we have a lot of buyers. On the larger time frames, obviously the market looks really bullish. We bounced really heavily. A lot of indicators are showing a lot of bullishness as well. But in terms of price action, so a lot of funds, fund managers, etc., they're all short. But right now, due to a lack of volume as well in the market, buyers were able to lift the market up without much resistance. But this 450 level is really important. So let's see. These are all setups that would have big moves to the downside, but the fact that we haven't gotten that yet is just a lot of buyers just keeping it up. But these are good shorting opportunities, honestly. So it is what it is. This is another really, really good short. Usually shorting here would end up just, the market would just fall. We would end up below 450.50 within like 2 or 3 minutes. But this is generally a really, really good short as well. Very, very, very rarely do we see the market make like close above on a setup like this. Very, very, very rarely. The fact that this is happening is super, super strong. Really, really rarely does that ever happen. IWM is still below 188.90. The NASDAQ is pushing, which is causing the SPY to push. Still can't go long up here. Honestly, if it rips to 452, I'd probably short again. You can't go long at these levels, regardless of what is going on in the short term, to be honest. Even if these shorts don't work out, even if the market keeps ripping up, the proper trade is to go short. So now we see the SPY holding 451.10 support. That needs to obviously break for it to continue lower, but that's what's basically going on. Also, the IWM just broke above and it's holding above 188.90 resistance. So the IWM is showing strength. And yeah. Like if you were not in a trade at all, still going short with a 5-day stop is a spectacular trade. Honestly, so on stream, right? Like multiple times, I don't know if you guys remember, but multiple times I would look. This is the exact setup that we would look at, and I would like be very adamant about being short. So I think this last happened a few weeks ago. I was like, this is a fantastic, amazing shorting opportunity. And then I think a few times I would say that would be like the high of the day, and we would continue to have like some monstrous moves to the downside. But the fact that that's not happening right now is a lot of buyers. Like this is a very, so earlier, basically like 10-15 minutes ago, when we had that move, I think at 10 a.m. when we had this move to the upside, that rarely ever happens. Like we rarely ever get another high break. So some fun stuff going on. Like honestly, like 95% of the time, it's always false. But yeah, at the end of the day, don't win every trade. I could be wrong. It is what it is. You guys need to make sure you guys don't blow your accounts up. That's the most important thing. But I definitely short. You can't go long up here. It makes absolutely no sense. If we get another rip to 452, probably gonna short again, to be honest. This is like, yeah, this is just be bullish seasonality. They just want to continue pushing it up, get more bulls to be trapped up here. Because on a daily, we are starting to get a bit overextended. Tesla is overextended. Tesla had a huge move. Google had a huge move. There needs to be some sort of, today needs to basically consolidate. So yeah, let's see. IWM's back to 188.90, showing some red, but the NASDAQ is making new highs. The IWM showing a lot of weakness. Maybe like 5% of the time, 5 or 10% of the time I've seen this break up higher. This is crazy. If it does, that'd be pretty amazing, to be honest. Obviously not for the money, obviously not for the portfolio or whatever, but if it very, very doesn't happen often. So seeing things that don't happen often in the market is just, it's cool, to be honest. I'm sorry that it's coming at the expense of portfolios, but yeah, it doesn't happen often. This is pretty crazy. Yeah, honestly, guys, I would obviously be way more like, what's the word? Almost every single time this gets like disastrous big red candles to the downside, like almost every single time we look at this. But yeah, honestly, so yeah, what I was saying earlier was usually I'd be way more regretful. I'd feel like, obviously it would suck, all right, but this, I'm not even upset. Like this, yeah, this happens so rarely that it is what it is. The fact that this happened today, like, it is what it is. You know, this does not happen often. So yeah, it is what it is, to be honest. This is like genuinely like, again, this is an amazing short. Whether you want to hear that or not, this is an amazing short again. Getting closer to 452, all of this stuff is just amazing, amazing shorts. Like, I can't explain how like rare. But yeah, honestly, uh it is what it is, honestly. This would like let's see what these guys do. Let's see if we can finally break 451. If they hold it up above 451 and then we make another high of day, I don't think I would have ever actually seen that happen in real time. That'd be pretty cool. So once again, what I'm saying is I've never seen, from this entire setup, putting everything into context, the daily chart, the huge move up that we saw all morning. It's already breaking down lower, but what I mean is I've never seen it hold this candle and then make a new high. I've always seen it drop lower. So what I'm saying is if we make a new high, that's crazy. That'd be crazy to me, honestly. The only thing that could help the market and keep it up now is an insane amount of buying pressure. So we need to see if they're going to keep it up above 450.50 with some insane amount of buying pressure. But once again, the market should be falling lower. We should easily just continue dropping lower here. Generally, this going short here would basically be chasing, but shorting there, like at the end of last minute's candle, is still basically a good shorting opportunity because the momentum is super weak. we should be breaking below 450.50. VWAP and 450.50 coinciding pretty perfectly. This is where they would try to make a bit of a bounce. If they're going to bounce it, they're going to try to bounce it a bit. Maybe to 450.80. But yeah, I still think that this should just continue falling, to be honest. $450.50 is holding as resistance. They got enough. I don't think they got it. I mean, if they had brought it up to 452, if they brought it up to 452, then that would have been devastating to bulls. That would have been way more like, that would have been a much stronger bull trap. What we saw above 451.50 wasn't enough. Contracts are moving nicely. Contracts are moving crazy right now. Holy shoot. I think I just shoot. Honestly, I just sold a bit too early on these. I have runners on the 451s, but I think we sold those a bit too early. But it is what it is. That's gonna, yeah, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So in hindsight, the main issue. So look, I was correct, basically about the direction of where the market needed to go. Not in the short term. We kept going up. So the only thing that obviously we could have done differently is if it was too heavy a position initially, etc., you either sell for a loss and re-enter, or you don't enter large. Oof, fudge. Holy shoot, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Almost made up for the freaking 449. Let's freaking go. Jesus Christ. Let's freaking go, bro. Yeah, honestly. I'm telling you guys, usually if this look, any other day I'd be like, oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I'm so dumb. Oh, oh shoot. Oh shoot. Goddamn. 451's almost up 100%. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm selling the 459 for gain. Screw this. We got out of that. Screw that. Damn. Yeah, I was telling you guys, even if we, so look, we were underwater on these puts. Obviously, you know, they were down for a bit. I would have sold. Honestly, I would have, I would have re-entered at 452. Oh, fudge. Holy crap. What are these? Oh, let's get it. 100%. 451's up 100%. Jeez. Let's get it, man. Beautiful. Honestly, beautiful. Thank God. Thank God, man. Thank God, bro. Thank God. Yeah, everyone, make sure you guys are taking profit. This is not a sustainable move to the downside. Honestly, it's probably best we go long. We could have went long. Let me read the chat. Let me read the chat. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying my best to just focus. Like, so when I don't look at the chat, I try to feel how the market is going. I try to look at everything and I try to like get a feeling for what is happening. And all right. Okay. Yo, good job, guys. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. Good stuff. Yo, that's awesome. I'm so happy you guys that's crazy. Alhamdulillah, man. What a life. And everyone that went long, congrats to you as well. But yeah, man. Crazy. Eric, can you send me an email with can you send me an email with the information and stuff? And yeah, guys. um we should have just went long. Yeah, man. Very, very happy this worked out. If we even touched 452, I would have went short again. Our puts would have been super, super underwater at that point, but the market needed to fall. Needed to fall. What we saw earlier, guys. So one thing, let's just take inventory about what happened. Basically, what we saw here at this point. So at 9:58. So you see my cursor right now? 1 second. Can you guys hear me? Mic is cutting out. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Yes, we good. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, cool. All right. All right, so real quick, let's just take inventory about what happened basically. All right, so look, zooming out, looking at things. So number one, our day trading is always influenced by the larger time frames. Okay, so if the larger time frames are 100% bearish, we should be leaning short intraday, right? So with everything that just happened, we just bounced out from a daily, weakness. We just showed a lot of strength the past few days. We had a breakout candle yesterday. Okay, on the SPY, NASDAQ, and IWM, we had a breakout candle yesterday on the daily. So obviously on the daily, things are showing a lot of strength. But heading into today, I was very, very convinced that we were going to have a pullback. Either a pullback as soon as basically the market opens, or a pullback definitely once we got higher. So we got higher. Okay, so here's where we got higher. We easily climbed. Okay, this was a lot of buying pressure. But so this setup right here at this big green candle where it broke above the high, this big green candle, when we show the red candle here, sorry, no, this one, I forgot what I was talking about. I think it was this one. I'm gonna have to scroll back in the live to be honest, but I think it was this one, right? Yeah, I think it was this one. And so basically, right, this setup 85-90% of the time never makes another high. The fact that yeah, it was this one. The fact that this made another high within 3 minutes, it was so crazy. Like when this happened, I wasn't even upset anymore. Like I was not upset. There was no like sadness. Oh my god, we're short. We're underwater on these shorts. Oh my god, blah blah blah. I wasn't even upset the fact that this happened because it's so rare that it happens. It's like such a small chance that this happens. So that's why I was very, very adamant about being short. And then we entered short again. And then this, where we made another high, I've never seen that. I've never ever seen that ever happen. Because from here already, we shouldn't have broken above that high. Then 3 minutes afterward, we made another high. At this point, breaking above this level, I've never seen that happen. So it ended up making another high. After 10 minutes, it made another high. I've never seen that happen. So at that point, I was like, I've never seen this happen. If we continue rising to 452, I'm reshorting because this strength I've never seen. And yeah, man, it was beautiful. It's beautiful. So in these instances, obviously, it's tough to have a stop loss. So this is from earlier in the day, guys. But it's tough to have a stop loss when setups like this happen. But you could. So look now, zooming out, what does this mean for you? When you short, right? Obviously, if you have like a tight stop loss, okay, I'm gonna go short. If we break above this level, I'm gonna sell out. Cool, do that. But you have to continuously take multiple trades. If one of these shorts didn't work out, and then we had some sort of anomaly happen where we made another high, you have to go short again. And then if we have another anomaly happen where we make another high, you have to go short again. That's my point. So when these things happen that don't happen often, you have to stick to the plan regardless and just continue to reshort. Short again, trading is literally just a numbers game. You have to keep on taking shots at the basket, at the goal. It's a numbers game, and it's crazy. Like honestly, this is crazy. I've never seen that happen before in my life. Like, never, ever, ever. Crazy, honestly. And thank God. Imagine we became bullish up here when the entire time I was just like, oh no, we're gonna. But no, yeah, thank God. Crazy, crazy. And look, the market ended up bouncing. Yeah, easy. Honestly, like, it's just easy. You could have just went long when I was saying to go long. Easy, easy money. All day today. It's crazy. So yeah, I hope that made sense. And I hope this helped. Let me read the but yeah, man, it's good stuff. That being said, gonna call it a stream. Honestly, this was a nice little stream. It was a nice little stream. Can you guys put ones in the chat if you guys made money? Can I see some ones in the chat if you guys made money? Slav, $5 top G. Thanks, goddamn. Thanks, bro. Thank you for the $5. That's crazy, Slav. Appreciate it. Wow. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Smiley to the real True, Nasser, Joshua, Harmful, Paul, Brian, Bake, Arvis, Nora. Fabian, FSA, Detroit, Miles, XCal, Invest, Mergem, Fabian, Nicole, 40%. Good day today. Nice. Kit, I'm streaming on YouTube and on TikTok. Thanks for explaining. Did not take the shorts, but did take the calls all the way up for the fall. Nice. Nice. Brian, I love you too, my brother. Slav, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Do you only trade in the mornings? I only stream in the mornings. Yeah. Yeah, all right. With that being said, yeah, honestly, today was fun. I've never felt so comfortable being in a losing trade. Never ever have I ever been that comfortable being in a losing trade with no remorse or guilt. It's crazy. Yeah, all right. But yeah, man. I didn't know it was going to end up like this, but it did. All right, guys. Love you guys. I'm gonna head out. Yeah, I have but yeah, also everyone that's watching on TikTok, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go in depth and I explain in detail everything, like my thought process on the market. So definitely subscribe to that. And of course, you know, everybody, thank you guys. Love you guys, man. Thank you guys for being here. It's crazy. I didn't see, like, I scrolled up, no one talking crap. Pretty nice. It's nice, man. And harmful Hamid, remember me? Yes. But yeah, man. I hope everyone's good. I hope you're doing good. Harmful. Yeah, all right. Cool. All right. With that being said, guys, love you guys. Have a spectacular rest of your day. The market needs to break back above 450.50 for us to come. That's like a major level of resistance. But yeah, guys. All right, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, guys. Happy Wednesday. All right. Take care. Love you guys. Have a good one.